Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another rewind spread with me. This week I'm going to be using a kit from Laura Sticker Co. I'll leave her link down in the description box, and we're doing rewind planning because I'm trying to fill up the rest of this Erin Condren so then I can do a flip through at the end of the year. So I started off by putting the dates all the way across the top, and the date dots were from Philo Fabulous, and then I went ahead and put all of the glitter headers down, and then I moved on and put the bottom washi down. This bottom washi is so gorgeous. I love the little like sellotape over the flowers. It's amazing. Okay, we are going to go in day by day. So I have got these bow stickers which are from Simply Gilded, and I'm never going to use them anywhere else, so I thought I would just pull them out and create my own full box using them, because this kit was really a Valentine's Day kit, but I decided to use it this week because it was my daughter's birthday this week, or the week that I was planning for, and I didn't want to use the really Valentine's-y full boxes, which left me with 4 short, so I thought, well, I will just use the bows and make up my own full box. I think they worked out pretty well because I've used a lot of other gold accents throughout the spread, so it worked. So for Monday I uploaded a plan with me. I'd done some orders and I also done a food delivery, and then as I was putting my food away in my pantry, I realised I had a flower mite infestation and I had to empty everything out of the pantry, and I mean everything, every drawer, every tub, every jar, literally everything, and clean it from top to bottom, which took the entire afternoon. Although now I have a really organised and sparkling clean pantry, so you know, you got to look for the good and the bad. So moving over to Tuesday, I finished my orders because obviously I was a bit busy the day before, and after that I went to the post office to go and post everybody's orders, and then as a little treat I decided to go and pick myself up some coffee. And then when I came home I think I filmed a mini journal video. I'm pretty sure I didn't write down what it was I filmed, but I'm pretty sure I filmed that. And then I booked train tickets for my daughter's birthday, which were hella expensive. Yeah, let's just not talk about that and move on to Wednesday. So for Wednesday I put another Simply Gilded bow up at the top. They kind of look really cute. I'm looking at my planner now and it's nice and shiny. I kind of like it. I'm glad that I done it in the end. So for Monday I uploaded my mini journal video. So I've used one of the tiny page flags that came with the kit with a tiny poppet on top to mark that. And then I also had to get things kind of wrapped up for my daughter's birthday, because you have to strategically do things when they're not at home. So this is the day that I chose. So I've put a little magical poppet down, and the little heart checklist is from the kit, and I just wanted to wrap all of her presents right in the card, and I wanted to order her giant balloons. And then I had to go change the beds, and I hate changing beds. I'm not sure if it's the stripping of the beds or the making of the beds that's the worst, but I had to do all 4 beds. And then I done a housework catch up, and then I done some bits in the garden, which seems so strange now because this weather has turned very autumnal, but back then it was obviously still nice and sunny and warm. And then for Thursday I spent the day filming because I knew I was going to be busy for the next few days, so I wanted to film ahead. And then I also I restocked some of the foil space poppets. So for that I just used a Planning Princess poppet, and yeah, I just cut some and restocked them, which are my favourite things to do because I get to peel the vinyl away just to leave the poppet head. It's so satisfying. And then because I had spent the morning filming, I then had to do a lot of editing, so I just stacked some magical poppets up on top of each other and just wrote down the 3 videos that I needed to edit. And then for Friday I'm going to be putting another Simply Gilded bow sticker, I think these are the bow seals they're called, aren't they? They're not bow stickers. I'm going to be putting another one on Friday. And then for Friday, we went out for my daughter's birthday lunch. It was a day early because her birthday's on the 28th, but we were going to be busy. So we went out for lunch with her nan and her auntie. And we very nearly missed the train. My sister was on the platform and she kept pushing the button so the doors would stay open on the train. And yeah, we basically got on, and as soon as our last foot was on, it went straight away. That's how late we were. But we did go up to the city and we went to a rooftop restaurant and we had some cocktails, maybe one or two, and some lunch. We didn't just drink. And my daughter is 19. I should just state here, because that sounds bad that we went out to have lots of cocktails, but she is 19. So we had a porn star martini, a strawberry daiquiri, and rhubarb gin, and some champagne was mixed in there as well. It sounds like a lot, but we were eating as well, so it wasn't too bad. But it was a really fun day. She really enjoyed herself, which was amazing. And then we went to bed pretty late this night, and then we had to get up super early in the morning because we were going out for the day and we had to go and get another train, and the train was leaving quite early in the morning because we don't have a train station in like our town, so we have to drive to where the nearest train station is, so we had to leave extra early. But I'm just going to put my full box at the top here, and I've used the one with the bags, which is quite apt because we basically went shopping all day. I put down an early morning poppet as my alarm was super loud. Maybe it had something to do with what we'd done the day before, but it was very loud that morning. We caught the train and it went in the end at 17 minutes past 8. And I treated her as it was her birthday and we sat in first class. And then I actually took some champagne with us and we had some strawberries and some pancakes that I'd done on the train. And my daughter was trying to pop the cork on the champagne, which she hasn't really done before. But she popped it and it exploded everywhere. It went all down her arm on her coat, so that was all sticky literally all day. And then I actually I was wearing like a play suit, and I broke the strap on the train, so the whole top part of it kind of flapped down to expose myself. It wasn't a good day. It wasn't a good morning, I should say. So I had to kind of walk around holding it, and the first place that we went to was Primark. Luckily it wasn't that far away from the station in London. We just ran into there, I bought something, ran to the toilets, got changed, and then we were all back together and ready for the day. But basically we just went shopping in London and had some lunch and everything there, and it was a really lovely day. And then on Sunday I uploaded a washi video. I made my daughter's birthday cake and she wanted a Louis Vuitton cake, so I made that one. And then we went to actually my mum's later that afternoon so everyone could pop over and see Ellie and say happy birthday. So that's why I done her cake on the Sunday, so I was not going to be taking a birthday cake to London with us. And then I also, what else did I do? Oh, I done some food prep for a high tea because we had her other nanny come over and she spent the afternoon here, and we done like a little high tea afternoon. And then I ate way too much, as one does. I tend to do that all the time. I think I have a problem. Moving over to the sidebar, I just drew on my face. I've literally just put pen all over my chin. I'm going to put the pen down now. For the sidebar, I put down my full box with some more of those glitter headers. I don't think I actually said where they're from. They were from Strawberry Lime Designs. And then I put a to clean section because I knew I was going to be super busy and have people around this week. So I created a to clean bit in my sidebar, and I just wanted to deep clean my fridge and my cooker, my sink, and then just the usual bathroom. I did pull my sofa apart and give that a really good clean as well. And then for the bottom, it was my to buy section. And for that, I just needed to get bits for my daughter's cake, some edible gold paint, the balloons that I ordered on the Wednesday, some candles, because when I had to empty the pantry, I had like all of my candles in a small kind of clear plastic box. And it I just threw most stuff away. Maybe I didn't actually need to, but I was just like, I don't know if anything's in that, if it's been contaminated, I'll throw it away. So I threw it away and had to get some more candles, some envelopes and some ink for my shop. And then I also put some of the deco stickers down just to make it look really pretty. And I love deco, so I couldn't help myself. But that was pretty much it for this week's Plan With Me. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and let me know if you think the Simply Gilded bow seals make good full boxes, because I think they do, but you'll just have to let me know what you think. And as always, wherever you are and whatever you are up to today, I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye everyone.